Alright, so as all tests should be done, I did the calibration cube on the brand new Ender 3V or the Ender 3 Max. Let's check out its calibration. Wow, there is no glue on that bed, and that sucker is stuck. Mind you, the bed is still warm. It's at 51 degrees right now. It just finished. Ugh. Wow, that is a good plate. So, a little bit of elephant footing in the bottom. But then again, that could just be the filament adjustment. But other than that, the top looks amazing. Everything looks good. It's just the base, the bottom. And as you see, it was a little bit stuck down here, but the bottom looks really good. The y-axis, X, Z. Now let's check out what we got. This is right out of the box, no calibration, no nothing. So let's see here. Zero it out. Okay, so our Y right out of the box is 70 microns over. Let's see here. 20.01, pretty much perfect, and the Z. So that's our issue right there. We have to adjust the Z axis a little bit because it's about 1 millimeter under, which we can do with our adjustment. That's why she looks bad on the bottom. With the Z offset, that'll be good. That's right out of the box. I'm extremely impressed. So there you have it, guys. Let's start making some helmets and stuff.